Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrita Shankar. If you're new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as the social media links. Hi guys, I know it's been a long time I haven't come online, like we haven't interacted. So I wish everyone a happy new year. I know it's been so long, almost 15 days after the new year has happened. You people might have forgot that it's the new year. But then too, I from my side would love to wish you all a very happy, prosperous and a year with good health and love filled new year. So, we have changed the schedule of uploading. I don't know when I'll be free, so I'm uploading it. So if you haven't hit the notification bell, you should definitely do that because you get notified when I'll be uploading a video. It's most probably Wednesday or on Sundays. So weekly once a video will be uploaded. So I can't promise which date. I'm busy with my other things. So, and a very, very happy Sankranti, or whoever is celebrating Pongal, happy Pongal to you guys. So, without further ado, let's get to today's video. So today, let's have an interactive section and let's see what's the most Google questions about Kuchipudi. Ma'am, my phone over here, so let me check and answer it. Let me see what's there. So first question is, which state is famous for Kuchipudi dance? As we all know, the origin is from Andhra Pradesh, the previous Andhra Pradesh. So most probably it is the Andhra Pradesh itself, and it's originated from the Andhra Pradesh village named Kuchipudi. So we have got the name for the dance as Kuchipudi. So we'll go to next question. Um, how many years does it take to learn Kuchipudi? It's usually 4 for the certificate course, 2 more years for the diploma course. We can learn, as I have said before, we can learn Kuchipudi. It's just like an education. Do we have a particular age to get educated or to get the PhD done or whatever we try to learn? No, right? So in the same form, we can do the Kuchipudi dance form as well. Like you can do the PG, you can do the PhD. Okay, it's just going on. But for basics, you have to take. It takes about 4 to 6 years, sometimes 7. Um, it has two main exams, which is called a certificate course and the diploma course. If you complete the 6 years course, we get the certificate of diploma, which I hold. I'm very proud of it. So it adds up to our like career also. If you are passionate about learning dance like me, then it just adds to your career. It's a good one. So next one. Hmm. How many mudras are there in Kuchipudi? So we have two different types like Asamhita Hastas and Samhita Hastas. So again, there's a division of 28 and 26. So it depends. Then who is the first dancer of Kuchipudi? Sidendra Yogi, you should definitely watch the Kuchipudi short note video to know more about Kuchipudi. So it's Sidendra Yogi. And what's next? Let's see. Where is Kuchipudi dance? I didn't get the question actually. Where is Kuchipudi dance? I mean, you are asking for the originated, I mean, where it is originated from. It's originated from Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi village. So I don't know what you meant. Then, how many steps are there in Kuchipudi? Wow, that's a tough question. It depends, but most probably, in if you are going into a government college, you are taught from 100 to 120 steps. Like those are most important, and that comes in use for the jatis as well as the songs part. So, what is the difference between Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam? Wow. So Kuchipudi is from Andhra Pradesh, the main difference, and Bharatanatyam is from Tamil Nadu. And Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam are a bit similar but differs through expressions, steps, format of dance, in that way. Like we have degrees, right? We have like BA, BCom, like that. Everything is the same thing, but we study differently. We have different subjects, of course. So the songs differ, the postures differ. So almost, if you can see, the hastas and all are a bit similar. So let's get into next question. Um, okay, that's all. Is Kuchipudi a solo dance? Yes. I mean, like every Indian classical dance could be done solely, even Kathakali. If I'm not wrong, if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section below. It can be done solely. Yes, Kuchipudi can be done solo dance. Means single person can perform it. What does Kuchipudi mean? Wow. Kuchipudi, you should definitely watch the Kuchipudi short note video. I'll put the link over here. Just go and watch it. You'll know what is Kuchipudi and how it was originated. And you can know origin of dances. I'll put the playlist over here. Just check it out. I found a strange question. Like being a classical dancer, if someone asked me which classical dance is the best, I would definitely say every Indian classical dance is the best, because every Indian classical dance has its own variations and it's really beautiful. Though I'm a Kuchipudi dancer, I just love to learn other classical dance forms as well. So don't ask that question, guys. Really. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys liked today's video. From next week tutorial sections as well. Please don't scold me, guys. I'm a bit preoccupied with my work. So if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys are my family already, hit the notification bell, guys. Then only you'll get to know when I'm uploading the video. And see you on next Wednesday or Sunday. Even I don't know when I'm going to upload it. So please do watching, keep liking and sharing the video.